Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another brand new Android Studio tutorial, and today in this video we are going to set up the Facebook video downloader application. So this is one of the easiest app in my store to set up, and it will be taking roughly 20 minutes to fully set up the application. So once you have the file downloader, what you have to do is that you will be getting a file like this. This is a zip file. Right click and extract to a folder. Now we have the folder here. While we are opening that, we have the project. This is the project file. We are going to drag it into here, closing it, now moving it into the side. Okay, now this is our project. Now what we have to do is that we have to open this project inside Android Studio. So go to the Android Studio. Okay, now from the Android Studio you have to click on the open an existing Android Studio project, and we have to open the desktop, and this is our project with the Android Studio logo. Click on that and click on the OK to open that project inside the Android Studio. Okay, so once the build has been successfully completed, what we have to do is that we can close this log, and now we have to open the app folder and expand this Java folder, the Gradle folder, and the resource folder. So the first thing is that we have to change the package name. So this is the very important part. So we have to change it here. So we have to click on this settings icon and uncheck this, and now we have to change the second and third folders. So in most cases you can just skip the com, and by default it is recommended to skip this one. By skip I mean you don't have to change the com. So we can start from here. So so we have to change this. So right click and now select the refactor and rename, and click on the rename package. Now you can change it into anything as you wish. Now once you have changed that, you can click on the refactor. Now we have to right click on the second one or the third one, and now we have to do the same thing. Now clicking on the refactor, and that's it. Now you can go and check this, come back to middle packages and go to the manifest and make sure that the package is changed here, and in case if it isn't changed, then you can do that manually. And also you have to go to the build.gradle, that is the app level Gradle file, and you have to manually change it here. So FB app. Also change this into the third one. Now you can click on the sync now. By the way, at the time I'm recording this video, all the libraries are latest and you don't have to change it into the new one. And in case if it is not latest, it will be highlighted on here, and in that case you can just keep your mouse over here and it will be showing you the latest version of that dependency. Then you can manually enter that and click on the sync now again. So right now if you're setting up the application right now, then it is all the latest one. Now you have to just close that two things. Now go to the now the next thing is that we have to change the application name, icon, etc. So in order to change the application icon, right click somewhere else and go to new and click on the image asset. Now you have to select the image from here. You can browse the image, and for this example I'm going to use a clip art. So I'm just going to browse a clip art. Now for this example I'm going to use the download icon because our application is related to downloading and something like that. Now I want to change this into white color, and the background you can also use the image and browse it from here. So for the sake of this video I'm going to use the color, that is this blue color. That's it. Now in case if you want, you can also reduce the size of the icon into like 80 or 70, 79 or something like that. Now you can go to the legacy, and by the way, make sure that you are in the adaptive and legacy from the icon type, and from the legacy tab you have to click on you have to select whatever the shape you want for your icon. In my case I want to set it as circle. Now that's it. Click on the next and click on the finish. Now that is done, and if you want to check the current application icon, you can go to the bitmap and open the IC launcher. So we have the preview here. Now close that. We can now close this. Yeah, we have to open the values folder, then go to strings.xml, and here we can change the application name. So let me change it into FB Downloader Pro. And in case if you want to change the home page title, then you can do that here. You have to also change your email from here, so something like your mail at gmail.com or hotmail.com or whatever it is. Now that's it, and you can, if you want to change the tagline, it will be showing in the about page, and if you want to change that, you can do that from here. Now you can go and close that. Okay, so you can close this all. Now the next thing is that you have to change the application add unit. So right now in this video I'm going to show you that how to change that. So you have to open the you have to first expand the Java folder, and after that you have to go to the activity config.java file, and inside that you can able to find that FB banner. So this application is specifically developer using the Facebook audience network ad, and in case if you receive a product that is using the ad mob ads, then you can simply do the same thing here. And you have to change this is the banner, so you can change the banner ID from here. This is interstitial, and you can change it from here. Now I will be making a separate video on how to create the Facebook ads, the banner, interstitial and other type of ads in the Facebook developer page, and that video will be coming soon. Now the final thing is that we have to set the one signal notification. So for that, what you have to do is that just go to the app level Gradle file, and you have to change the application ID. This is the one signal application ID from here. So this ID, you can get this ID from the one signal dashboard, and I will be making a separate video on how to integrate the one signal notification into your Android app. So that video will be soon coming out, and by the time you're watching this, maybe that video will be already out, and in that case I will be adding that video at the end of this video, and also in the description of this particular video. Okay, so that's it, and like I said, this application only take around 10 to 15 minutes to fully set up. And in case if you already have the application icon and they already created the Facebook ads, and if you have everything, then it will be only taking around 10 to 15 minutes to fully set up the application. So that's for now. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.